Hello, Namaste and welcome back. In this lecture, we will understand how to create a page and blog post in Confluence. You can create a page from anywhere in Confluence. Click on the Create button on the top navigation bar. If you click Create button from outside of a space, you will need to select a space for your page to live in. So right now I'm on the home page, that is outside a space. The default option is your personal space, which we named as Jessica's Diary. So you can see that it is by default selected in the drop down. For my new page, I need to first select the space where I want to add the new page from this drop down list. And the page will then get created under that space. So for now, I'm selecting product from the list, which is one of the space. You can choose to create your own space and select the same. Then choose the type of content you want to create. It is possible to create a page based upon a certain template or just a blank page. For now, we will create a blank page. Later in the course, I will show you some of the most used page templates also. Click on Create. Confluence will open the page in edit mode. Give the page the title Development Team. And publish the page. Please note, page title is mandatory and should be unique within a space. So you can see on the left side of the screen in the space sidebar, the development team page has been added to the space product. Another way to create a page in Confluence is directly from another page. For that, we will have to go back to the product space. Since we are already there in the product space, we will hit the Create button here. You can see on the screen that under the space, product space has been selected, and the parent in this case would be the development team. So the page which we would be creating will by default become the child of the parent development team. Select blank page here and hit Create. I am giving this new page a title as Application Managers. And let's publish this page. So you can see that under the development page, there is a new child page called Application Managers, which has been created. Please note, you can also create pages directly from the page tree. So the left hand side of the screen where you can see that Application Managers page is under the parent development team. So this is a page tree. So you can directly create a page from the page tree. This makes it easy to control where your page lives right from the start. So simply hover over the page name and click plus to create a new subordinate page. And follow the same process of creating a new page. So I'm naming this as Team 1. So you can see that Team 1 is the child page of Application Managers, and we have a page tree with the parent as development team and the child as Application Manager, and there is a further child page called Team 1. Now let's open one of the page which we have created. For now I'm opening the development team. Click on Edit. So now we are on the Confluence editor. The editor is where you can name or rename your page, add the content and format it to look great. We will cover the Confluence editor in detail in the coming lecture. One important point to be noted here. To create a page or blog post, you need the add blog or add page permissions for that space. In case you are unable to create a page or blog, please do ensure that you have the required permission to add page or blog post. One more feature which Confluence provides you here is move a page. So you can see that pages have been added here in a certain hierarchical structure. In case you want to change this, you can use the drag and drop feature in the page tree to drag one page and move it to another place. So I'm moving team 1 under development team as the child page. So now you can see that both application managers and team 1 are the child page of development team. The process of creating a blog post is exactly the same. After hitting the create button, you need to select the blog post from the list of templates and hit on create. Enter the title of the blog post. So I'll name it as my first blog post and hit publish. So you can see that my first blog post has been created with a timeline that is 2020. That's all in this lecture. In the next lecture, we will go through the editor. Thank you.